Okay, let's get started with our sounds and our words for the stories Ducks and Hop-In Jill. All right, let's get started first with our sight words. Word is down. Let's say it together 3 times. Down, down, down. This word is so. Let's say it together 3 times. So, so, so. Some of these you will already know. This word is off. Let's say it together 3 times. Off, off, off. This word is will. Let's say it together 3 times. Will, will, will. I bet you already know this one. Have. Let's say it together 3 times. Have, have, have. You probably already know this one too. Here. Let's say it together 3 times. Here, here, here. This one might be new. This word is come. Let's say it together. Come, come, come. And you might already know this one too. This word is from. Let's say it together 3 times. From, from, from. Excellent. Now it's your turn. Okay. We're working on a diagraph. This is a diagraph we've already been working with. Did a little bit last week. This is k. When you put C and K together, they say k. So let's do some k words. Sound, d. Sound, up. Sound, k. Sound, s. Let's blend. D, k, s. Word, ducks. Sound, qu. Sound, a. Sound, k. Let's blend. Qu, a, k. Word, quack. Sound, s. Sound, oo. Sound, I. Sound, k. Let's blend. S, oo, I, k. Word, slick. Sound, b. Sound, a. Sound, k. Let's blend. B, a, k. Word, back. Sound, qu. Sound, I. Sound, k. Let's blend. Qu, I, k. Word, quick. Sound, n. Sound, I. Sound, k. Let's blend. N, I, k. Word, nick. Oh, it's got an uppercase N. What does that mean? Somebody's name. Very good. Sound, d. Sound, ah. Sound, k. Let's blend. D, ah, k. Word, dock. Sound, s. Sound, t. Sound, I. Sound, k. Sound, s. Let's blend. St, I, k, s. Word, sticks. All right, let's review. Ready, begin. Ducks, quack, slick, quick, nick, dock, sticks. Your turn. So that's the CK that says K. We also have a blend, which is two letters together that you hear each sound individually. St. It's not really one sound. Really, it's two sounds. Sound J. Sound Sound st. Let's blend. J, st. Word, just. The reason we do these is because you'll often see the S and the T next to each other. So we want to practice using them because you'll be reading them a lot. Sound N. Sound E. Sound st. Let's blend. N, E, st. Word, nest. Sounds st. Sound I. Sound k. Sound s. Let's blend. St. Ik. S. Word, sticks. Yes, I know. We did that one already. Sound s. Sound n. Sound a. You know what? This word doesn't go here, does it? CK says k. Let's blend. Snack. Snack. That one is supposed to be over here. Let's put it here. Sound s. Sound n. Sound a. Sound k. Sound s. Let's blend. Snacks. Snacks. That's where snacks goes. Snacks doesn't go here. Silly Miss Frost. Got myself all confused when I was writing down my words. Let's do the next one. Sound s. Sound st. Sound a. Sound n. Sound d. Let's blend. St and. Word, stand. Sound p. Sound a. Sounds st. Let's blend. P. Ast. Word, past. Sound s. Oh, sorry. Did it again. Sounds st. Sound e. Sound p. Sound s. Let's blend. St. Eps. Word, steps. Okay, let's review. Just, nest, sticks, stand, past, steps. Your turn. All right, let's do some new ones. We have double consonants. Double consonants are two of the same letter that go together in a word. Our first double consonant is two F's, which just says f, like one F would. So that makes it pretty easy. Here we go. Sound s. Sound t. Sound a. Sound f. Let's blend. St, f. Word, stuff. Sound s. Sound t. Sound I. Sound f. Let's blend. St, if. Word, stiff. Sound ah. Sound f. Let's blend. Off. Word, off. Let's review. Ready? Begin. Stuff, stiff, off. Your turn. Right. Good job. Now we're going to do another double consonant. 2 S's. Say S. Sound M. Sound I. Sound S. Let's blend. M, I, S. Word. Miss. Sound K. Sound I. Sound S. Let's blend. K, I, S. Word. Kiss. Send you a kiss. Okay, let's review these words. Ready? Begin. Miss. Kiss. Your turn. All right, let's do another one. There are a whole bunch of these. 2 L's together. Just says L, just like 1 L would. Sound S. Sound P. Sound I. Sound O. Sound S. Let's blend. S, P, I, O, S. Word. Spills. Sound B. Sound I. Sound O. Sound S. Let's blend. B, I, O, S. Word. Bills. Sound H. Sound I. Sound O. Let's blend. H, I, O. Word. Hill. Sound W. Sound I. Sound O. Let's blend. W, I, O. Word. Will. Yeah, some of you might be seeing some rhymes already. So the next word. Sound T. Sound F. Sorry about that. Sound O. Sound S. Let's blend. T, E, O, S. Word. Tells. Sound J. Sound I. Sound O. Let's blend. J, I, O. Word. Jill. Yeah, it's kind of messed up my J, didn't I? Should be connected. Yes, that's somebody's name. So we have Jill and we have Nick. Jill and Nick are in our story. Sound F. Sound E. Sound O. Let's blend. F, E, O. Word. Fell. Sound W. Sound E. Sound O. Let's blend. W, E, O. Word. Well. Oh, I bet you can find a couple different rhyming words in there. All right. Let's review. Ready? Begin. Spills. Bills. Hill. Will. Tells. Jill. Fell. Well. Your turn. And we only have one more to go. I'm going to squeeze it in over here. 2 Z's. It says zzz. It should make your teeth and the tip of your tongue tickle when you go zzz. Just like 1 Z, but this one has 2. Sound. 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 Z. Let's blend. Z. Word. Fuzz. All right. I think any of the other new words are going to be super easy for you to sound out. We'll be playing a sound spelling game, the Super Sound Spelling Game, every week from now on to practice your sounds. So I hope that you can join a live Zoom session. If not, I'll record one for you so you can play.